Hello students, welcome to our e-learning classes. In our previous class we already learned lesson number 3 growing up. So today we will start our new lessons, lesson number 4 taking care of our body. We already learned about body and their important for us. So today we will learn how to taking care of our body. Before starting the lessons, we will do a small activity. See your textbook. Take the right to the correct habit and cross the wrong one. So, which is good habit, we have to do right, and if it is a bad habit, then we have to do wrong. See the first one. Radha cleaned the backside of her ears while having a bath. It is good or bad? Good. So, take the right. Next, Aman often cleans his nose with his finger. It is good or bad? Bad. So, cross it. Next, Sonu washes his hand properly before and after a meal. It is good or bad? Good. So, take the right. It is good that we have to wash our hands before and after meal. Now students, I am going to read the lessons. You have to speak along with me. Healthy habits. To be healthy and keep your body clean, you should follow the practice given below. So, if we want to become a healthy, so we have to keep our body clean. For healthy habits, we have to follow some steps. First, brush your teeth twice a day. So, when we wake up from a sleep, first activity what we will do? We will brush our teeth. So, we have to do brushing our teeth twice a day. Brush all your teeth well. Do not forget the one at the back. So, we have to brush all the teeth. Front side, back side, middle side perfectly. Don't forget any one. Remember to clean your tongue with the tongue cleaner. After brushing, we have to clean our tongue with the tongue cleaner. If we not clean our tongue, we can't feel the taste of the food. Rinse your mouth well after eating. Otherwise, a foul smell will come out of your mouth. We have to rinse our mouth properly after eating the food. Otherwise, a bad smell come out from the mouth. Now, see the next. Which step we have to follow? Turn the page. Take a bath with soap and water every day. So what they tell? We have to daily take a bath with the help of soap and water. With the soap and water, we have to rub our body parts perfectly and clean it. After a bath, wipe yourself with the clean and dry towel. So after taking a bath, we have to clean our body with the dry towel. Keep your hair clean and tidy. We have to keep our hair clean and tidy. So we have to wash our hair regularly and cut it properly. Eat a food at a proper times. We have to eat a food with the proper time. So it will be help to become a strong and healthy. Exercise for at least half an hour daily. So daily we have to do exercise at least half an hour, means 30 minutes. It will be good for our health. Go to bed early. You should sleep for at least 8 to 9 hours. So we have to go to bed early. At least we have to take a sleep 8 to 9 hours. So our body become healthy and our mind also get a rest. Stand up straight. So we have to stand straight. See the picture. Because is doing brushing her teeth. Second one, girl is doing exercise. Sleep. This boy has slept at a perfect time. Comb hair. We have to comb our hair. Otherwise, we have to take a help of our adult. Wash your hand properly. Take a bath daily, so it will be clean our body. Don't bite your nails. It is a bad habit. If you want to cut it with the nail cutter. See the next. Cut your nails regularly and keep them clean. Do not beat your nails. If you are beating a nails, it is a bad habit. Now see the next. Eat a healthy food. Eat leafy green vegetables and fresh fruits. So we have to eat a healthy food which will be good for our health. Fresh fruit and fresh vegetable keep us healthy. Have at least 2 glasses of milk every day. So daily at least we have to drink a milk 2 glasses. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Drinking water is also helpful to digest our food. So at least we have to drink 8 to 10 glasses per a day. Avoid eating oily food and fried snacks as they are not good for your health. We all love to eat oily food and fried snacks, but it is not a healthy for our body. So I hope you understand this all steps. So you will follow these steps to become a healthy in your life. Now we will do small activity. You have to give your all answer. Write the time at which you do following activity. When you get up on 7 a.m. Have a breakfast on 8:30 a.m. Sleep when you sleep around 9 p.m. So it will be good time. When you dinner around 8 o'clock. Students, in this activity you have to write your own timing. See the next. Fill in the blanks. Use a dash to clean yourself while bathing. What we are using? Soap. So write the spelling of soap. S-O-A-P. Use a dash to dry yourself after a bath. What we have to use? Towel. So write the word towel. You must brush your teeth dash daily. How many times we have to brushing our teeth? Twice. Take a dash every day. What we have to do? We have to take a bath every day. Now see the next one. Staying away from the germs. How we will stay away from the germs? Germs are found everywhere. When they get inside our body, they can make you ill. We know that germs are everywhere. That's why continuously now in this pandemic situations, everyone are telling us that we have to wash our hands properly. If we are going out, then we have to take a bath. So we know that if germs will enter in our body, it will become us sick. We will stay away from the germs that we are going to learn in this part. Now turn the page. Which type of step we have to take for it? So keep your body free from the germs. Germs are spread through air, water and other objects. We know that germs are spreaded everywhere through the air, water and other objects. First of all, this stick to your hands when you are touch a dirty object. So first of all, if we touch a dirty object, it will be sticks to our hands. So wash your hands carefully with the soap and water before and after eating a food. So we have to wash our hands before and after eating the foods. Germs are also found on fruits and vegetables. You must wash them well before eating. So when we are buying a fruits or vegetables from the vendors, when we bring it at home, first of all we have to wash it properly. Then we have to use for as a food. Germs are also found in a water. Always drink a boiled or filtrate water. So germs are also live in a water. So we have to boil or filter the water. So germs will not harm us. See the picture. This lady is washing up fruits and vegetables. Then this person is cover the mouth while coughing or sneezing. It is a good habit. So germs will be not affected to the others. We have to boil the water. Next, germs spread in the air when you cough or sneeze. So use a clean piece of handkerchiefs to cover your mouth while coughing and sneezing. We know that this pandemic situations, we know that corona is spreaded from the coughing. The persons who has suffer from this disease, if that person is coughing and sneezing in front of the others, so it will be harm to the others. So we have to cover our nose and mouth, so its germs can't come out from our mouth and nose. I hope you understand the lessons. So these are the steps we have to follow to take care of our body. Now see one small task. See the image below. Take the right one that keep you away from the germs. If you are playing in a sand, it is a good? No, bad. Because there will be so many germs. So this thing is wrong. Drinking water from a filter, it is good? Yes, it is a good. So write it. Sneezing in front of us without using a handkerchief, it is a bad. So students, I hope you understand the lesson.